Welcome to Draz University, hub for e-commerce education. In this video, we will learn how you can boost your sales by participating in the voucher campaigns. You can enjoy countless benefits by participating in the voucher campaigns, such as get a higher conversion rate, attractive discounts increase the add to cart rate as prices become increasingly competitive, increase basket size. The minimum spending criteria will encourage the customers to purchase more products to avail the discounts. Enhance traffic to your store. Customers can now access the seller store page in just one click by clicking on the vouchers displayed on the main page. Increase revenue. All the above points will combine to allow you to generate more revenue and help you grow your business. We will now learn how you can participate in the Draz voucher campaign to increase your store traffic, build customer quality, and boost your sales. To participate in voucher campaign, Step 1. Log into Seller Center with your registered email ID and password. Step 2. Go to the Promotions tab and click on Campaign Management. You will now land on the Campaign Management page. Click on Voucher Campaign tab to view all available voucher campaigns. Select the campaign which you wish to participate in and click on Join. You will now land on the campaign registration page. Over here, you can view the campaign specifications such as Campaign Overview, Voucher Creation Criteria, Recommended Categories. Once you have read through the specifications, click on Join Now. Next, you will have to create your vouchers for the voucher campaign. You can create the voucher by filling out important fields such as Discount Type. Select whether you would like to offer percentage value or money value voucher. Discount Value Off. Select the percentage or money value of the price. Voucher Name. Write down the name of the voucher for easy identification. Minimum Spend. The minimum spending for the voucher to be applicable. Maximum discounted value. The maximum discount amount that the customer can get. Total issued number. Total number of vouchers to be issued. Usage limit per customer. Number of vouchers which can be used per customer. You also have to select whether the voucher will apply to your store or specific products. If you choose to have your voucher on specific products only, select the option and then click on Add Products. A new pop-up window will appear showing all the eligible SKUs that you can add to the voucher campaign. Select your products and click on Add. Once products have been selected and all the other fields have been filled, click on Submit. Congratulations, you are now part of the voucher campaign. You will now be able to enjoy an uplift in your sales as the redemption of the vouchers in the voucher campaign is 10 times higher as compared to the regular vouchers on regular days. So, what are you waiting for? Join the voucher campaign now. We hope this video has been useful for you. Thank you.